I know a lot of you out there are Tundra loyalists, and rightfully so, due to its capability, durability, and more importantly, reliability. However, you've got to admit, that truck was old. But now there's a new one. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics, and today we're going to take a look at the totally redesigned 2022 Toyota Tundra 4x4 Limited CrewMax 5.5 with the TRD off-road package. Taking up every inch of the garage is a 2022 supersonic red Toyota Tundra 4x4 Limited CrewMax 5.5. The 5.5 refers to the aluminum composite bed length, and this truck comes standard with power folding outside mirrors with turn indicators, multi-link rear suspension, 4W demand part-time four-wheel drive with electronic controlled transfer case and auto-limited slip differential, and tow receiver hitch with integrated 4 and 7-pin connector. Inside, you'll find a 14-inch multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM with 3-month Platinum Plan trial, dual-zone automatic climate control, Softex trimmed 8-way power adjustable front seats, Toyota Intelligent Assistant,
what do you want to do?
Heated and ventilated front seats, over-the-air updates, power vertical rear window, and smart key system with push-button start. Safety features consist of Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 that includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, trailer brake control, and trailer sway control. There's a surround view camera, as well as a blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic assist too. Options include the JBL 12-speaker premium audio, heated leather steering wheel, all-weather floor liners, mini tie-down, and bed mats. There's the limited premium package that includes premium LED headlights and towing technology package. The limited power package adds Qi wireless smartphone charging, bed and cabin 400-watt 120-volt AC power supply, and LED bed lights. And then there's the TRD off-road package that includes 20-inch TRD alloy wheels with 265/60 series Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires, TRD grille, TRD off-road bedside decal, off-road suspension with Bilstein shocks, skid plates, mud guards, red TRD engine start button, TRD leather shift knob, aluminum sport pedals, electronically controlled locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist control. Finish things off with the special color paint, you get a total M.S.R.P of $59,009. I really like the exterior design of this truck, and apparently others do too, based upon the number of times I've been stopped to talk about it. This total redesign utilizes an all-new chassis and ditches the rear leaf springs for a coil multi-link setup. While CrewMax models can also be had with a 6.5-foot bed, our tester's bed is 5.5 feet long, and the soft open tailgate now has a remote operation that's standard on all trim levels. Tie-downs are aplenty, but unfortunately, there are still no steps, ladders, or handles to assist with access. Another major change from last gen is the power plant. The V8 is now gone, replaced by a standard 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 that makes 389 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque, up 8 horsepower and 78 pound-feet of torque respectively. A 10-speed automatic transmission with sequential shift handles the gears, and the part-time 4-wheel drive with electronically controlled transfer case allows you to select 2-wheel drive, 4 high, or 4 low for when the going gets rough. Round things off with a locking rear differential, and you've got a rather capable package. Max towing is now rated at 12,000 pounds, and the maximum payload is 1,940 pounds. There's a drive mode selector, and the TRD off-road package includes multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist control. All electronic goodies to help you get in, and more importantly, out of trouble. Fuel economy is supposed to have improved as well, with an EPA rating of 17 miles per gallon city, 22 miles per gallon highway, and 19 miles per gallon combined. Sadly, as with many full-size trucks, the mileage still doesn't add up, with AutoAcademics only achieving 16.2 miles per gallon on regular fuel. It should be no surprise that space is cavernous back here, with plenty of room for an adult in the middle. Yeah, there's a bit of a hump on the floor, but even that isn't terrible. And with the inclusion of cup holders in the doors and armrests, AC vents, USB A and C power ports, as well as a 120-volt outlet, it's a decently equipped area. Plus, the rear seat bottoms can fold up in a 60/40 configuration, and there's an underseat storage compartment hidden beneath. The view from the driver's seat has been refreshingly updated as well. These seats are large and comfy, and I'm digging the dimpled leather on the steering wheel. It's soft yet grippy with lovely ergonomics. The dash is lined with chunky buttons so you can do what you need without removing your gloves, and then there's the new audio multimedia system. Terrible name, but good system. It's very similar to the new one from Lexus, and it's designed well for this huge high-res touchscreen. Other than that, there's plenty of storage, and the JBL stereo is strong, even if the bass is a bit boomy. So, now that we've addressed all of that, it's time to take it out and see how it drives. So, I've seen a few reports, and I'm sure you have too, that question this new Tundra's reliability. Number one, it's not uncommon for issues to crop up on total redesigns. And number two, this is Toyota, so I truly believe they'll get any problems fixed sooner than later. Now that we've got that disclaimer out of the way, this is a nice truck. No, it's not the most powerful, but I'm sure it could still tow a space shuttle under the right conditions. And this new 10-speed auto is smooth. The brakes feel good, and the auto stop-start system is quick, but it does require a bit of pressure to activate. Even with this TRD off-road package, the suspension is fairly compliant, with only the slightest bit of chop entering the cabin on imperfect roads. And even with that, I haven't noticed any bed shudder at all. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, and if they blindfolded me and put a Lexus badge on it, I wouldn't argue. As I wrap up this review, I want to salute the 5.7-liter V8s that used to power these trucks. They were antiquated, but they sounded great. And while the durability of this 3.5-liter remains to be seen, well, at least it artificially sounds good on the inside. So there you have it, guys, the totally redesigned 2022 Toyota Tundra 4x4 Limited CrewMax 5.5. As with last gen, it can't haul the most nor tow the most. But if it can be as reliable as all the Tundras before it, I know a lot of you will continue to be loyal. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think about this total redesign in the comments section below. Finally, if you haven't done so already, by all means subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what we have coming up next. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics. Thanks for watching.